Everyone thinks the best-selling Coleman Roadtrip grill is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Cuisinart Chef-Style Grill. First up is the Cuisinart Chef-Style Tabletop Portable Propane Grill. Priced at $224.99, it caught my attention with its sleek stainless steel design and bestseller badge. If you're looking for a hassle-free grilling experience, this is worth a serious look. This means you can cook multiple items at different temperatures, which is perfect for those outdoor get-togethers. With a cooking surface area of 275 square inches, you'll have enough space for steaks, veggies, and more all at once. Plus, the quick 10-minute setup without any tools is a major bonus when you're on the go. Now I'll be real with you, some users mention the grill can be a bit heavy at 22 pounds, which might be a concern for those wanting absolute portability. But here's the thing, once you get it set up, that weight translates into stability, so it doesn't wobble while you're cooking, and I think that's a fair trade-off. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, portable grill that doesn't sacrifice cooking power. Skip this one if you need something ultra-lightweight for extreme backpacking, but honestly, for the price, you're getting solid value here. Now, if the weight of the Cuisinart grill bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, ZBXFCSH Grill Cover. Next, we have the ZBXFCSH Heavy Duty Grill Cover, priced at just $18.57. This caught my eye because it's specifically designed for Coleman grills. If protecting your investment is a priority, this is worth considering. The ZBXFCSH cover is compatible with several Coleman models, including the Roadtrip LX and 285. The Velcro straps ensure it stays put even in strong winds, and the drawstring design makes it easy to put on and take off. This means your grill stays clean and ready to go whenever you are. However, some users noted that the cover can feel a bit bulky when trying to fit it onto smaller grills. But here's the thing, that extra material is what gives it that weather-resistant quality, so it's not a deal-breaker if you're looking for durability. This is perfect for you if you want to keep your grill protected from the elements without breaking the bank. Skip it if you're looking for a more fitted design, but for the money, you really can't go wrong here. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need extra protection. Product number 3, SHINESTAR Grill Cover. Now let's talk about the SHINESTAR Portable Grill Cover, priced at $14.89. I was impressed by how lightweight yet sturdy it is. If you want something easy to manage, this one is worth a serious look. This cover fits snugly on several Coleman models, including the Roadtrip 285. The material features waterproof PU coating and strong stitching, ensuring your grill is safe from rain and UV rays, which is crucial if you leave it outside. Plus, the bottom drawstring and straps keep it secure even in windy conditions. This means less hassle for you when it's time to grill. That said, a few reviewers pointed out that it doesn't fit as tightly as some would like. But honestly, a little looseness can be advantageous. It allows for easier installation and removal, which is something you might appreciate on a busy day. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable cover that still offers solid protection. Skip this one if you want something ultra-fitted, but it's a great value for peace of mind. Now, if you're looking for a grill that really delivers on performance, listen to this next product. Product number 4, Coleman Roadtrip 285 Black. Up next is the Coleman Roadtrip 285 Portable Stand-Up Propane Grill in Black, priced at $389.99. It's a popular choice and for good reason. If you want a grill that has all the bells and whistles, this is worth considering. With a cooking surface area of 285 square inches, you can grill burgers, hot dogs, and veggies simultaneously. The built-in thermometer and push-button ignition make it super convenient to use. Plus, the quick fold legs and wheels make it easy to transport, which is a huge plus for camping trips. However, some users found the setup a little complicated at first. But here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, the features really shine, giving you that outdoor cooking experience you crave. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one solution for grilling at home or while camping. Skip this one if you prefer something simpler without the extra features, but if versatility is what you need, this grill delivers. Now, if you want a similar model with a twist, check out the next option. Product number 5. Coleman Roadtrip 285 Red. Lastly, we have the Coleman Roadtrip 285 Portable Stand-Up Propane Grill in red, priced at $358.79. I love the vibrant color, which really stands out. If you want a grill that combines style with functionality, this one is definitely worth looking at. The large cooking surface area of 285 square inches lets you prepare a variety of foods at once. What sets it apart? The interchangeable cooking surfaces make it super versatile. You can swap out the grill grates for griddle or stove grates depending on what you're cooking. That's a big advantage for those who love to experiment. The downside, some users mention that the interchangeable surfaces can be a bit tricky to clean. But honestly, for the added versatility, it's a small trade-off that many might find worth it. This is perfect for you if you enjoy customizing your cooking experience. Skip it if you want a hassle-free, simple grilling solution, but it's a fantastic choice for those who love to cook outdoors. So whether you're looking for portability, protection, or performance, there's a Coleman Roadtrip grill that can fit your needs. So there you have it. We went through the Cuisinart Chef style, the ZBXFCSH cover, the SHINESTAR cover, and 2 versions of the Coleman Roadtrip 285. Each has its own strengths and weaknesses depending on what you need. Whether you're looking for convenience, protection, or performance, these options have you covered.